Frequent coughing in cats. Your home may have high radon levels. If your cat has been coughing frequently, don't ignore it. This could be linked to radon, a radioactive gas that may be seeping into your home. Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer in U.S. homes, and pets face twice the risk as humans since they spend more time close to the ground. To protect yourself and your pet, consider using a radon detector to monitor levels. If the results show high levels, open windows for ventilation and consider installing a radon mitigation system to ensure safe indoor air quality. Check your home's radon levels now and provide a safe living environment for your pet.